नमस्ते हजुरहरू सबै सन्चै हुनुहुन्छ होला सो विन्टर इज अगेन ब्याक है। आज त मिरिकमा एकदमै धेरै पानी पर्यो, पानी पनि पर्यो, अन टप अफ द्याट एकदमै जाडो पनि त्यति नै बढेर आयो। सो दिस विन्टर इज नट गोइङ टु गो सुन रहेछ। सो स्टिल वी डु एक्सपिरियन्स विन्टर, एकदमै चिसो छ है। So I'm unboxing my parcel which I've received today, and आज एकदमै लेट भयो. I had received in at around 11:30, but like I had to go for my exam duty, so couldn't reveal or couldn't make the video then and there. So I came home right now. So घर आउने बित्तिकै that excitement is always there to unbox the parcel. So unboxing is going on. So यो भित्र के छ भनेर चाहिँ you'll get to know in the end के छ यो भित्र भनेर है. सो गेस गर्नुहोस् है त के छ भनेर. अलिकति तपाईँहरूलाई हिन्ट दिन्छु है. मेरो बेसिकली आई मेक अनबक्सिङ भिडियोज इन ओन्ली one product which I'm really obsessed of. So अर्को हिन्ट चाहिँ के हो भने this has also been purchased from the Fashion Bureau. So the Fashion Bureau चाहिँ तपाईँले युट्युबमा इफ यु तपाईँले टाइप गर्नुभयो नि the Fashion Bureau भन्यो भने there you can see so many items जसलाई चाहिँ they are obsessed with this product है. उनीहरूले चेक गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. they give a very good quality of products. So अब रिभिल हुनेछ के हो भनेर. गेस त गर्नुभयो होला तपाईँले के हो भनेर. सो फाइनली बक्स हेरेर बुझ्नुभयो होला के हो भनेर. सो दिस इज अ कोच bag which I have purchased from the Fashion Bureau. So this time it was with the bill. I was showing to my mom. So हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ त्यो एक्साइटमेन्ट है. So this bag, I really love the quality of bags. They have never ever disappointed me. The product what I have purchased from them, and I loved it. I really loved the color, and it's really nice. So I was busy opening the sling of the bags. That excitement एउटा हेर्नुहोस् तपाईँले पनि हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. If you want to purchase these bags, you can type on to the Fashion Bureau. There you can see that they give different variety or designs of bags, and for me I always purchase my bags from there. So they have never ever disappointed me, and this time also I was very much happy with the product. Thank you so much, the Fashion Bureau. I really loved it. यो हो मेरो bag. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe.